Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get access to the Sora 2 for free in 2025 and how you can start creating AI videos. So first of all, you need to come here on sora.chatgpt.com. You can also go to the official website of sora.com. You just have to sign up here with the help of your email address. So this will be the first step that everyone must do because most of the invites still come from here. Now you need to turn on the created mode. So over here, when you go to your profile and when you go to the settings, inside your profile, you will have to make sure that you mark yourself as a creator, filmmaker, or educator, because Sora is going to give the early access to the active creators first. You can also join their official community and you can just simply stay active because Sora often rewards the active members and the testers with the invite waves and bonus codes. Now, during the events and the updates, Sora releases the extra invite codes so you can stay alert and calm them fast and they run out quickly. Then you can pick a template. You can write a two sentence prompt like any of the prompts that you can give over here, and you can just simply start using Sora 2 when you get access with the help of the steps that I have told you in this video. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.